Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this string anagram problem, which says that we are given two strings, which is consisting of lowercase characters, and our task is to check the two given strings are anagram to each other or not. So what, first of all, what do you mean by anagram? So an anagram is a string of a string is another string that contains the same characters. Only the order of character can be different. So, for example, let me explain this to you. If we are given, suppose, a string A, B, A, this is S1, all right, this is S1. And the anagram of this string could be A, A, B, or B, A, A. So, as you can see, the order of the characters may not be the same, but the characters should be same. All right. So, how to approach this? What is the intuition we get after reading the question? So, what I thought of is we can take use an hash map and store the first string, store the occurrence of every character of first string in that map. Suppose if we have, let's take an example of A B A. So we store the occurrence of each character of this string. For example, in this string particular case, we have A two times. So for A, this is of I guess 26. The size of this hash map may be 26. So at the A's place we store 2 and the B's place we store 1. And we take another hash map and we have the B string and we check and again we store the occurrence of that string, that's S2. Suppose S2 we have AAB, and we store the same occurrence of the characters in that string. So of this string into the second hash map. So it's 2 1. So as you can see, and we can iterate through the for loop and check if the occurrence of the characters are same. So yeah, that's the intuition. So let's try to implement what we think. I equals 0, I less than. So let's first take the length of the string in another variable. So how do we get it? We will use the length function. So yeah, yeah. And let's iterate through the first string. Let's define the hash map. It will be of character and int. Let's name it MP1 and the another map as MP2. So yeah, MP1 of A of I. So yeah, key of this particular character should be incremented. So when I type this thing, this means that key element of this character should be incremented. So let's do this again for the second hash map, v of I plus plus. So yeah, we have now all we have to do is to check for int I equals 0, I less than n. So yeah, we can also check for the extreme case. If we are given the strings of different length, we can simply return no, since we are given that the characters of the string should be same, but the order may be different. So yeah, first case would be if n not equal to m, we return 0. We return false. Yeah, and else we execute this piece of code. So I less than n plus plus, and we check if if mp1 of a of I equals mp2 of a of I. So if it's not equal, if it's not, then we return false. Return false. and in the end, we return true. Let's run this code. Oh, we are missing the parenthesis, I guess. Yep, yep. We are missing a parenthesis. Oh, there's typo. My bad. Okay, let's submit. And yep, it got accepted. So I thought of making video on this because it had really the good company tags. So yeah, I hope you understood this problem. If not, do ask in the comment section. I will try to resolve your doubt. Thank you.